Mema Obi Akwaba eba GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. A year former MP Owusu, a year Opare Ansah wodi esebi abetuja fa a year Kennedy Agyapong, yenyin say Kennedy Agyapong ono super say to Franca. Na enchibia one day what the delegate conference be so ama yehu dipa obetu Franca ama a year party no. Na papa yi di esebi bratuja fa a year Kennedy Agyapong na answer na ensebi na beba. Message say so when you subscribe to the channel now, let's just say over subscribe. What the over and say we click a subscribe button. Now we barely notification. Where there's a video for be upload. Also once ever can be. After we are now like video no my thumbs up. Now fee. What share my offer for so any be na or share. After you go similar. A year Kennedy Agyapong show down a year Opare Ansah former MP Owusu what the NCB about for a Kennedy Agyapong. Now to me say a year watch it into a year Kennedy Agyapong on also say with 2 franca. Now what you say a year Baumia Kennedy Ekuhuno says to me a year presidential race na a year annual it say Afibiano or man a year contract a year $5 million. Now no na Baumia anye penye and no na Kennedy before on also Sadia and also over contested a year Baumia. Na papa yi de ensem bibre atudwa fa ye Kennedy Agyapong hunema oye wache se wo Kennedy obi ensuro obia na eye party no wenyam fa so bibre free party ko obia party na bone pa eye Kennedy Agyapong na wache se showdown no ebe koso e wo ye asin central ho no obekọ ho na ho na showdown ni na ABC na yes ebrane yetie ensem eye former MP editudwa yenti eye na ensem no yenti no
me catch me say obi there. I don't find some kind of one was in central as a way and to about I mean the abono. So process will be there. And they catch the process for and threats now do more issue. Minia any abre a Cecilia Dapaah and Kwenim. People like him are the reason we are where we are today. But I mean Kuminya and I mean my first Jumani past 7,000 were Jumum. Where Nyasa a buy mu in Yumana Gawana of a Jumum. Kennedy, and young people in a bar by Muna, baby, see ya.
Watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Into Parliament, managing our own IT companies. Visa racketeering and now, Kennedy. And now, sorry, and me, and I say, me so I remember we share me on one radio station on the debate. Now no me kasa o radio station bi Kumasi. Na me tone nkrase e betumi o hia me on the radio station ho.
HFM.
Da bi ye won kran.
Okay.
Ya wada o ze brother numre program na yo mo ye na ye popular no. Ni eni nkomo wo so na manfo nti. Fi se me ba ne ho ne ye kansem.
Okay.
Nanka Ghana fo hu ne nti o contest election we. So opon bi obo mama ne e ko hia o mo. How oko Dr. Hosenga agreed to give him about $500 million of contracts of a president annually. And a doctor refused yours here and I contest too. ACA. But one about my money, Mr. Abelemkpe and call Doctor Ho. Sanka mention better and come back Cassanze me. But me there, Menka. So if you say, there be a chairman, Kaki Casa. And Cantissa and come in the reason,
yes, or the best contestant.
Menka se kasa me but onya threats no
okay
se who so be ye bibia nya ya de bone a obetra ha o se asumasi ana obentin jai se dia we wanye se ya me se we are now na machi delegates be police station for level ne party money be feel say okasa mom when toko ne the NIA National Identification Authority boss
Atifa
what was it? Because Professor Tifa will not give you a contract, also the India for be ever. Just on natural radios now soprano. And when you see
a watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are
parliamentary
watching Juicy News on YouTube.
A member of Parliament.
Hot news all time.
It is unbecoming of you. So be home bonnet. Now obe kataso, now obe fuaso. To the extent to say, so Opare Ansah you hear make cancel or bribe. Ka bribe na me koji. Cano be and no be
why a bonny a wonka
and threaten
na ehunahuna no bravo
Obia stroke Kennedy Agyapong or my no ebema. Ebra ye NDC for in NDC regime. Oh, it's reporting.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Obia
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Omra showdown ehon ebesi.
Eh sir.
I'll be in his constituency.
The old banon.
Me want the constituency. That's where I'll be. Because you up a showdown. On share me was in central.
And you command a proper showdown.
Omra, I want I'll be on election. That's the last election I'm Cape Coast.
Oh, I see.
The Joe Omra in central. No many showdown. No, you say, and when our party name, when you say, you say, when you say, Kennedy, Obienso. Mema part of our party, mo and Yama. Obienso, no. Onya we are bonny we who be a bonny am so nya Anka who Kennedy Agyapong 2009 NDC ministers ya approve of 50 kwete caucus no say my to abama no wo na wo to abama 50 kwete. I was the chief whip me confront you ka me say omo de woka aban de woka na 50 kwete na agree so betua. It was all about him. It's here and now mo hwehwe de to abetia Professor Kwe. And then before he read your 12 Professor Kwe. Messi and some members meka.
Tidio, the always so kind, you know, is
David Menka. Nanka meka. Kameka, no trial, nam a oka. So, no, ye caught Tamale Utia, a year Tamale conference in a hookah. Oboa. First of all, Tamale conference in 2014. Nanka ye no regional level me na me petition national council of the party ema mo agree so okay yenkoye wo tamale fa daviama and then edit tamale by say ye koye bi wa hanche ye bi wa hanche after council upheld me petition no ne yes e be ko tamale.
Okay,
the next question was from Jake no said there was no money. The minority caucus then myself I was chief whip after and now Osei then not done no ba abe replace here. Omona he decided say the caucus will contribute. Okay. Kofi Aremeyaw then said say he will pay a good chunk of it. And unti ebra Kwabena Agyapong be here
general secretary.
I presidential elections. Go into the archives. He gave Kofi Aremeyaw a waiver because of the money Kofi Aremeyaw paid to support and the Kennedy's party marginaze yakotamale onona utia hoka. Nothing could be further from the truth than that statement. Onyai lies no and obi call around 100,000 to chairman. I was in Cape Coast. I didn't pay 100,000 to any chairman to go and vote for anybody. Opare Omra hotel or die not the room 227. The other delegates, I have people who are prepared to tell what he gave. Onya huna na obia so 95.9. So I just say, ti menua yes ma menkasa, ti menkasa. Na kan sam ne de I hope me de me huna say oya meka say because I have nothing to fear from him and I have nothing to get from him. Come de nyina be good for. But said the okay, doctor on yakasa. I say Yankianun too. Ni making sure say if we can all bring this party back together. Anunti ni yayi din na nyese sabi isro anase nsamo all can be bring no enye no kre. The second deputy speaker. Kennedy Agyapong say onona Okoto kama chairman resign here because there was a condition that the second deputy speaker had put up. It is never true.
But answer no kwasinti
yes
and so aba bonten ebe fuaso one so abetena radio so akeka
what be sir deputy speaker
ye nya akwanya ne nkasa eni na ama mpanifo si hwehwe fan yemua tina ye de ni sasem na konkon ho no
be sir deputy speaker no be catch so minimum na mo me Yeresiama he's always grateful to Anamo me too far ne ho in trying to bridge him and this party. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. I'm a friend of my opinion will apologize to me. I'm saying really? Yes. It's some of the people can you to me who say who been a question more. Say then to know. My advice to Kennedy Agyapong is on Kananuntum.
Okay.
One of the elections I'm back off from Owusu was 2012. And it was because he came there to insult Julius Zebra. Yes.
I see.
He came to Suhum in that election. I don't say, I don't know campaign, me win election. The only election about Suhum, Ebeka say, no more year, I won't move on radio station, you know, about conference, you know, my people's
forum.
People's forum, have your say there, are there. But and where we had the program was next to Julius Zebra's family house.
Okay.
Oh, Amponsa Market. With the dinner term, and it infuriated a lot of people in there. That was my toughest election. This over here be Bruce Huma, over Hame, or me Boame.
Radio 95.9.
We are focusing on delivering our message, you know, to delegates. I'm a GD say delegates no ankasa, there are a lot of discerning minds in there. No who say sabi the falsehoods are all peddled. So in the political space, the damage at him the DNA then M1 MPP, and the delegates are going to send him a strong, very strong signal in how they are going to vote. He will be surprised. If it's a delegate, I'm telling you, many people Sebi, they know what they are doing. I'm here, Sebi, Korea about for us. Yeah, Palmoa, Sebi, I'm benefiting from MPP. When are you number one? Yes. Contractor, horror, when you have energy ministry. Now, no make a kaboom. Fizia Baba, when you over 700 million worth of contracts from just the energy ministry.
Radio 95.9.
The contracts are work board menka hwasem. The Ogapoha menka hwasem. Go to the energy ministry. Supplies to TVETs menka hwasem. Are on mine ya papa dia. And as our papa be no de japadi jawa ansana. Oh na mana di true hona me de me wuska. One person is in the contradictions. No. Sorry. Men are here Akufo-Addo appointments ning now fi onte asem apart from two of the ministers or no
or say chairman won to me there.
Yes.
Krata eba one obo one person di mi refi kakra. Eba ni fi moving pick.
Yeah.
And
I'm trying on no year listening now. I say apart from two of the ministers. No?
Yes.
I don't know appointments ning now. So what is his problem? And that's how my name wabai.
Okay.
So why are you complaining? When our year appointments in Adia, why are you complaining? And I said, some of us we can listen to you, hear you,
Radio
and know say somehow can say in Sisisu.
You're waiting for winning and some year Opare Ansah Adigya Feár Kennedy Agyapong. Because juicy do so and now here no se wunyan subscribe ya message say over subscribe na wa like na wa share video no also betimi a kire wadwen afa say we nyira ho e wo comment box ni mo beti minka view in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.